Welcome to the Crown Society channel. Summer 2026 is officially here, and it is about to change how you get dressed every single morning. I am breaking down 12 specific trends that are about to dominate everywhere. Let's get into it. 1. The linen suit trend. The trend that nobody saw coming is the linen suit. Now, before you say that sounds way too formal for a sweltering summer day, let me explain. This is not the corporate, stiff, itchy suit you're imagining from a 1990s office. The vibe, the 2026 linen suit is relaxed, oversized, unstructured, and completely breathable. The look, imagine a soft linen blazer in a shade of sand or off-white, paired with matching, flowing linen trousers. Styling, roll the sleeves to the forearms. Add clean white sneakers or minimal sandals. One simple gold necklace. That's it. The result, you've just created an outfit that looks like you stepped off a Mediterranean yacht without even trying. Why is everyone obsessing over this? Because the linen suit gives you something no other summer outfit can, structure and comfort at the same time. The linen breathes in the heat, the relaxed fit doesn't cling or restrict, and the overall effect makes you look like the most put-together person in the room. While everyone else is scrambling in basic tank tops and denim shorts, wondering why their outfit feels incomplete, you look intentional. The colors making waves for summer linen suits are sand, off-white, pale blue, sage green, soft khaki. Every single one of these shades photographs beautifully and looks effortlessly expensive. The smartest part? You can wear the pieces together as a full suit or separately with dozens of other items. Wear the blazer alone over a midi dress, or the trousers alone with a fitted top. One purchase, multiple outfits. 2. Buttercream is the new white. The shade taking over summer is not white, it's buttercream. This is a warm, creamy off-white that sits perfectly between stark white and the lightest possible beige. The difference between this and regular white is subtle, but it is incredibly impactful. The science of color, stark white can look harsh in the bright summer sunlight, and it often washes out many complexions under direct sun. The benefit, buttercream does the opposite. It adds warmth to your face, softens harsh light, and makes everything look more expensive because warm tones always read as luxury. Head-to-toe buttercream is the outfit formula fashion editors are already living in. Think of a buttercream linen shirt with buttercream wide trousers and gold accessories, or a buttercream midi dress with tan sandals. Every combination looks like quiet luxury. It works on virtually every complexion because its warm undertone flatters both warm and cool skin beautifully. Everyone expected bold neons to dominate, but instead, this quiet, warm neutral is becoming the most talked about shade of the year. Stock up now because by midsummer, everyone will be wearing it. 3. The modern Maxi comeback. The Maxi length is back, but before you think of those boho, flowy, paisley dresses from 2012, let me be clear, the 2026 summer Maxi is a completely different animal. The aesthetic, it is structured, not flowy. It features solid colors, not busy prints. It has clean lines, not ruffled edges. The formula, think of a column dress in a solid neutral that falls from shoulder to ankle in one elegant line. Or a tailored maxi skirt in linen with a fitted, tucked-in top. This length does something beautiful in summer. It creates a long, unbroken visual line that looks incredibly sophisticated. It moves beautifully in warm breezes and provides full coverage while still feeling light, airy, and completely comfortable in the heat. In shades of buttercream, navy, olive, or soft gray, a modern maxi makes you look like you belong on the streets of Rome. Pro tip on proportions, keep the top fitted and structured when the bottom is long and flowing. Fitted top plus flowing maxi equals elegant. Oversized top plus maxi equals drowning in fabric. Get the proportions right, and this becomes one of the most elegant summer looks available. 4. Woven and raffia textures everywhere. Woven and raffia textures are taking over every accessory category this summer. We are seeing structured woven tote bags, raffia clutches, braided belts, woven sandals, textured straw hats. Anything with a natural, handmade, woven texture is going to be everywhere, and for good reason. Woven textures instantly make any outfit feel like summer. They add visual warmth and richness, creating that vacation-ready aesthetic even if it's just a regular Tuesday in your hometown. keyword for 2026 is structured. We aren't looking for a flimsy beach basket that collapses when you set it down. We want a properly structured woven bag that holds its shape and works for everyday use. In natural tan or honey tones with minimal hardware, these accessories make anything look expensive. Best of all, they are surprisingly affordable. The natural texture hides the difference between high-end and budget options better than almost any other material. A small investment can get you a bag that looks like it costs hundreds. 5. Coastal style evolved. The coastal grandmother aesthetic that went viral a few years ago has evolved into something much more sophisticated for summer 2026. The original version was very literal and almost costume-like. The 2026 version keeps the spirit but drops the costume. It's about that relaxed, sophisticated seaside energy applied to everyday outfits, regardless of whether you're actually near the coast. The outfit, a linen button-down shirt left open over a fitted top with tailored trousers. The details, a navy and white color palette with gold accessories, or a lightweight knit draped over the shoulders with wide-leg pants and loafers. The colors are navy, white, cream, sand, pale blue, and soft coral. The fabrics are linen, cotton, lightweight knits, and soft chambray. Everything flows, everything breathes, and everything looks like you have effortless taste. The best part is you probably already own most of these pieces. Just style them with that relaxed seaside intention, and the whole vibe changes. 6. Elevated flat sandals. Elevated flat sandals are replacing every cheap flip-flop and flimsy slide in your shoe rotation this summer. The difference between a cheap flat sandal and an elevated one comes down to 3 specific things. Structured straps, they must hold their shape. Quality material, it should look like genuine leather with a matte finish, not shiny plastic. Minimal design, clean lines are preferred over excessive buckles and decorations. In tan, cognac, or black, a well-made flat sandal elevates any summer outfit instantly. With a maxi dress, they look elegant. With linen trousers, they look sophisticated. With a midi skirt, they give that European summer energy. We are also seeing a comeback of the refined gladiator style, just 2 or 3 straps above the ankle to add a finished detail without being extreme. 7. The linen shirt is your summer jacket. The oversized linen button-down shirt worn open as a light layer is the smartest summer styling trick for 2026. In summer, you don't need a heavy jacket, but you often need something for air-conditioned spaces, cool evenings, or just for adding visual depth to a simple outfit. The linen shirt solves all of these problems. Worn open over a fitted top, it acts as a lightweight jacket that breathes completely. Style it, roll the sleeves to the forearms. Colors, stick to white, cream, or pale blue. It works with literally everything. It transforms a basic 2-piece outfit into a style 3-piece outfit instantly. This is the 3rd-piece rule in action, and the linen shirt is the easiest 3rd piece you'll ever add to your summer wardrobe. 8. Bold gold jewelry. Gold jewelry is going bolder and chunkier for summer 2026. When your outfits are simpler and more minimal in the summer, your jewelry becomes the focal point that makes everything look polished. Must-haves, thick chain necklaces, bold cuff bracelets, chunky hoop earrings, and sculptural rings. These pieces make a simple white linen shirt look editorial. They turn a basic buttercream dress into something magazine-worthy. Bold gold catches summer sunlight beautifully, creating a warm glow against your skin. Against white, navy, or cream, gold pops in the most flattering way. You don't even need real gold, affordable options are incredibly good now. Just look for warm, rich tones rather than bright, brassy yellow. That tone difference is what separates expensive-looking gold from cheap-looking gold. 9. The midi dress renaissance. 3 specific midi dress styles are leading the charge this year. The A-line midi, in linen or cotton with a fitted bodice and gently flaring skirt. It works for every occasion from brunch to weddings. The shirt midi dress, this gives an effortless, polished vibe. Look for a button front collar hitting below the knee, belted at the waist for beautiful proportions. The wrap midi dress, this creates a universally flattering silhouette by naturally defining the waist. All 3 styles cover beautifully while feeling light in the heat. They're the dresses you grab when you feel like you have nothing to wear, making it look like you spent 30 minutes getting ready when you actually spent 3. 10. Canvas sneakers return. Clean, simple canvas sneakers in white, cream, or navy are making a major summer comeback. Lightweight, breathable, and effortlessly cool, canvas is the perfect summer shoe material. With a linen suit, they keep things relaxed instead of corporate. With a midi dress, they add a cool girl edge. With wide trousers, they create that classic American summer look. The rule is simple: keep them clean. A crisp white canvas sneaker makes every outfit look intentional. A dirty, beaten-up one makes everything look sloppy. Maintain them weekly, and they'll be the most versatile shoe in your rotation. 11. Summer scarves as accessories. A lightweight summer scarf in cotton, silk, or chiffon is the most versatile accessory you can own. One single scarf can be transformed into 7 different looks. Tied loosely around the neck for European elegance. Wrapped around a ponytail for an effortless chic look. Knotted on a bag handle for instant personality. Threaded through belt loops as a unique belt. Worn as a headband to frame the face. Tied around the wrist as a bracelet. Draped over shoulders as a light layer without the heat. One affordable scarf gives you incredible styling versatility. Choose a scarf that includes your best colors, and it will work with almost everything you already own. 12. The structured straw hat. The structured straw hat is officially replacing the oversized, floppy beach hat. While the floppy hat was fun, it was impractical. It blows off in the wind and only really works at the beach. The 2026 version is structured, medium-brimmed, and elegant. Think of a classic fedora shape or a clean boater style in natural straw with a simple ribbon. This hat works way beyond the beach. At the farmer's market with a linen outfit. Downtown with a midi dress. Outdoor dining with friends. It adds instant sophistication and makes even the most basic outfit look like a deliberate style choice. It is the accessory equivalent of putting on a great pair of sunglasses. Everything just looks better. Like, share, subscribe, and comment, and press bell icon. Thanks for watching.